Hi, I'm Jeremiah, and this is the Boss Audio 8-inch low-profile amplified subwoofer. So what are we going to do with this? Well, recently we put a Goose Gear Rear seat delete in, the full, including the back wall. What does that mean? That means we lost our factory sub behind the seat. But it also gave us another 8 inches of storage space. We went with this sub because we didn't want to lose the quality of audio that we had with the factory sub. This isn't an overwhelming amount of bass, but it is a definitely quality over quantity. They do have a 10-inch sub which will dramatically increase the bass, but we love this sub. It is perfect for Jeep Wranglers, Jeep Gladiators that don't have a factory sub. It wires in just like any other standard sub would, except this one has a built-in amplifier, so there's no need for a secondary amp. You have your standard ground, your remote wire to turn it off and on, your power wire, your 12-volt in. It has RCA inputs in case your head unit or your factory head unit has RCA outputs. We will be tapping into the column of the Jeep between the passenger front and rear door. That's where the speaker wires go up to feed the speakers above your head. We're going to just tap into those speakers and run it directly into here. Now let's get this installed.
First, let's go over the dimensions. The whole unit measures 12.20 by 8.86 by 2.95 inches. This unit comes with 4 flush mount, easy to use mounting brackets. It allows the unit to sit flushly on any surface that you mount it to and resonates the most bass through your car. This unit also accommodates a remote dial. We'll show you where we mount this later. Using a Boss Audio standard wiring kit, either wire it directly to your house battery, or, like we did, wire it into your auxiliary battery system. Of course, the ground goes into the ground terminal. We wired our remote output wire directly to our Red Arc Rogue so we can control it from the app or the screen. And of course, the 12-volt positive side to the positive side of the battery. Now that we have most of the wiring in place, we'll use 4 Tapcon screws to secure it in place. Remembering the tighter we get it to the metal, the more it'll resonate throughout the vehicle. Locate the speaker wires that are in the passenger A-pillar going up to the center speakers above your head. Using 4 blade connectors, find the 4 wires using the above diagram, tap into the appropriate speakers, and plug them in. Once all of those are connected, plug the high input side of the plug into the actual amplifier. We mounted our remote level control underneath of our steering column. Once you double check all the connections are secure, turn on your vehicle or power on your sub via your second-party controller. See if you get power at the remote, and crank some tunes. Adjust your subwoofer till you get the best results and enjoy the sub.